and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a chestnut bun. So this is actually a very simple style. We're going to start off with a high ponytail, and while I generally recommend the coil hair ties, a regular hair tie would probably be easier for this style. Once you have the ponytail in, you are going to loosen that hair tie just a smidge, just enough that you are able to slide your fingers in below the hair tie and grab that ponytail and pull it through. They actually make nifty little tools for this part. If you have one, great. If not, as you can see, your fingers work just fine. It might be a little tricky, but it'll still work. And once you have it pulled through, you're going to pull it forward in order to tighten it. And before this next part, a lot of people like to tease the hair, and you absolutely can, and it'd probably be a good idea if you have thinner hair. I have very thick hair, and I already have some layers that don't want to go in, so I'm not going to take the time to tease it. I'm just going to put a smaller hair tie in towards the end of the hair to try to hold it together. As you can see, I'm already getting some of those layers flip out, but we'll be able to hairspray those down. So we're going to twist the hair in to tuck that ponytail holder in, and I'm going to take one of those extra large bobby pins to pin it in place, and then we're going to spread it just a smidge on the sides, and I'm going to use a couple smaller bobby pins to pin it down, however many you need to get it to kind of hold in place. And then my camera kind of decided it was going to cut out, but I did end up having to grab some hairspray after I was done pinning to get those little crazy hairs to lay down. And here is the finished look. I hope this video helps you all out. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and have a great day.